I'm back in Australia and I've got a new car.
Have a good trip.
See ya.
Now, can you shut it down?
Yeah.
Can you get it?
Feet just out the door.
Your legs can go in the back. Can't you go straight on? Doesn't it fit straight on for you?
No, not really. So the thing is this part is pretty flat.
Oh, you go to the back.
And then I can just stick my feet right out there.
She's been up, where have you been?
I've been in the outback of Queensland.
Oh, have you?
So she's been doing it, she knows what she's
And
doing.
you've been doing it in this car?
No,
no.
so this is new.
This is new.
I was in a rooftop tent before and now
Oh, yeah.
this is the cheaper version. And we'll see how I
Up on
sleep.
her own.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gotta be keys with you, darling.
All
You'll
right.
have to get out the other way.
I think I will. I think I might have to do these seats down.
Oh, I would, if I was you, I'd push that seat down so you can roll out.
Yeah, that's a good idea. All right. Glad you guys were here to help me test it.
Well, you never would have got out, would you?
Yeah,
That'd be easier, wouldn't it? Go to town, just on top of the surfboard, but it's not bad.
yeah. It could double as a surfboard.
No one will probably look in.
Yeah. I don't think anyone really expects for someone to sleep in a car like this either, so thank you. I forgot to close the doors before it got too dark and now I have some little bug friends in here jumping around. Nothing's bit me yet, so that's a positive. They're just a bit noisy for flatmates, eh? It's definitely cozier than what I thought it would be. I forgot that it gets dark so soon. I mean, winter makes sense. And so, yeah, it's 6 o'clock and I can't properly sit up in the car. So I'm slightly leaning against the back. I don't know if you can see it. It's pretty dark out, right? And just enjoying the last little bit of pain-free back. I'm so happy. It's so beautiful here. I had to show you this because I've actually never seen it before, but I think it's called, if I remember correctly, cold burning. So they come through and they burn everything so there's not the big fires that Australia has experienced in the past. And on this side it's all burnt. And on that side, green. So I don't know if they're gonna burn that next. But it's just really cool to see. Alrighty, I wanted to give you a little house tour. So, over here, we've got the kitchen. Hold on. Got the kitchen, all the kitchen supplies. Here's the pantry. And the washroom or toiletries. This is the water. And this soon to be bed. Here's the walk-in closet, which will be removed in a moment. And this is the bed. Put those down. I do not recommend this to anyone unless you like build it out a bit and make it properly flat, because it is so uncomfortable. Or anyone tall for that matter, because I'm pretty short and I just fit. So far I've only been staying at free campsites along the road, ones that I find that are okay not to be self-contained. And self-contained means basically you have a place to go to the bathroom within your car, van, or camper van. And obviously within my car I don't, so I have to find very, very free places instead of the free places just for caravans and whatnot. And so far it's gone pretty well. I've met some really lovely people and haven't had very good sleep, as you can imagine. But I found some beautiful, beautiful places. Okay, there's also a fair amount of road noise, but can't beat free. I think this is a station out here. That's what it said in the little write-up. But they let people come out here and have a nice sleep right by the river. I'm just so happy to be here. It's been a long couple of days on the road, so last night I slept with my feet in the boot, and it was really bad sleep. I kept sliding down because the seats don't exactly go flat, so I kept sliding into the boot. So tonight, oh, there's so many flies in here. Tonight, head in the boot, feet out. We'll see what happens. It's cozy. My back is killing me. I've done about 1,500 kilometers. And I think I'm ready for a bed. Or to risk it with the snakes outside. I called my mom earlier today and she was just like, "You look wrecked." I feel that on a deep level. Hopefully I sleep better tonight. This is the third sleeping spot and I'm hoping it's the winner.